Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today, we're going to show you how to set cash check only in BookingKoala. This form will allow customers to select a date and time without needing to provide payment details. Let's get started. Go to Settings in the main menu. Click on General, and then Store Options. Then in the General tab, click on the Store Info. Scroll down to Accepted Forms of Payment. Here you can allow cash check, credit card, or both. But just select the cash check payment option if you only want the cash check. And that's it. Now you've set up your store for cash or check payments. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.